mean, but you know, you want the crispness of the onion.
No, it's more about the gooey texture-y.
Listen, man, okay, you don't want all that gooey crap. Where is that gonna go? Straight to your arteries. Clog. You're dead, man. You're dead. Let's stop talking about this. We've been talking about this for 4 hours.
Okay.
I mean, how do you feel about, like, curly fries versus straight fries?
Curly fries all the way.
Oh, yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Okay.
What about, like, waffle fries?
That's a controversial topic. I mean, let's not get into that because, yeah, the fries are bigger, but, like, there's just so much less in there. Part of eating fries is the quantity that you're consuming. Like, oh, I ate 200 fries.
Just get a large.
I'm sure this is the objective.
What do you see?
It's the target. It's the target. Look.
Where?
Look. There.
No.
No, there.
What?
No, there. You're 2 o'clock.
What?
You're 2 o'clock. There.
My 2 o'clock is like over there.
Oh. Do you see it?
Yeah, I see it now. Target acquired.
Okay, good. Listen. I'm gonna go get a closer look. Okay. You watch my 6.
All right.
I'm back in 5 minutes.
Okay.
Binoculars!
You want your hat too?
Pull it together, man. This is important. There we go. Man, it's glorious. Look, man.
Wow. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful.
Crikey, it's a walk.
Marvelous.
The poets truly sing the songs of this brown-winged booby.
Yes, sir, they do.
So how do you feel about deli meats, man?
Ham is like the only thing that I eat.
Dude, you're really missing out. I mean, it's so much. You have roast beef, you have turkey, you have chicken. There's so many good options. You're just gonna eat one animal? Just
Yeah,
pig?
honey ham is like the best thing.
Dude, pigs, they eat dirt. You gonna eat that?
Yeah, what do turkeys eat?
Okay, look, shut up. We're not talking about this anymore, okay? How do you think brown-winged booby would taste?
Probably closely to like bald eagle or something.
Oh, okay.
Whoa.
What do you say?
It's a blue jay.